Hey guys, today we're gonna unbox a cash register. So we get into it. Hey guys, today we're gonna unbox a cash register. I'm happy that I have this and we're gonna unbox it today. So we get right into it. Let's take off this. This is gonna take time. Hi guys, today we're gonna unbox a cash register. So we get into it. Oh, there's more. There. There. And another. So we have to there. Now there's more. Now we got this out. We have to take oh wow. So we got this. Now you have to take out every single coin, but we're gonna do that later. Just have to get this out. And then we get this one out. Water. And we get. So we have to get onto the other side of this so we can. I'm just checking. There's more right here. Get more. And then to get down to it, we're going to have to cut that. Oh, wrong. Pick up that one. Just have to carefully put it through. There. Now we have to do more, but I just don't know how. Guys, we are back from the unboxing. We're trying to do more. I'm gonna do more. Rip that out. Take that out. But there's still one in there. So you have to take out this. This is the hard part. So you have to you need a screwdriver? So we got it. Hello. And then we're gonna unbox this thing. There, we did that. We have to cut more. So if you cut a little more, then you're able to get the money. And then you got this. You got a card to slide. Yeah. And then we got a key for the coins and the money to get in. Then we got a shopping cart. And we got a scanner. Now we're gonna I didn't expect that to come out very hardly. Yeah, they're coming backwards. There. I'm gonna get the other one later. If we just keep doing that, get a whole set. There, guys, we did it, and I'll show you what it looks like. There's some tubes hiding. There. Guys, we have that, and we also have this that moves. So it's just a little hard to move. Then you put it back in. Then you lock it again. Get this. There. And then you get your card. Again. So you get your water right there. And then pop. And then you get those. And you get the whole cart. Pop. There, you get this. You scan all the items. Get this. You find the tag, then you scan it. And get this. Get juice. Scan. You get cake, strawberry cake. Then you get there. Then you find the tag on here. Scan it. Put it back. Put it all those back into the cart. So you get these. Get those. Get these. Get those. And just put them in there. Or there. Wherever you want to put it. Put those there. Get your key. Have it here. Guys, we're back with the coins. So you organize the big coins somewhere. And you put the money in here. It's the money. And this is the key to unlock it. So you just get it down there. And then you get the coins and put it in there. And you also got these. You got this. You got cream, you got water, you got these. You got a microphone. You got a calculator. And you also got this. big money, the big coins in here. And you put in the big coins here and you get the small coins and you from there, from there. That's 2. And there's 10. No. Oh, there's 1 down there. There, guys, we got it. I just took that out by accident. And I was trying to take this out, but then I just took the whole thing out. And we got this. And then you turn this on. Well, it doesn't have any batteries, so you can't turn this on. You do boop, 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 boop. Then you do this if you want to. It's hard. And the boop, 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 boop. It's done. Hey guys, I have a microphone on here and it works. Hello. You can hear it. You can hear it and it's good. It's not that bad. When I turn it off, it won't work anymore. But when I turn it on, hello, test, yeah, it works. So you press this button and then speak to here. We're having a fire drill. There. It works. Guys, there's also this. I just put batteries in this. $8.99 plus $4.99 equals $13.98 times 0.69 equals, oh, okay, yeah, a little more than usual. Works as a calculator and it beeps.